Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you create the garden of your dreams. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a real challenge for many gardeners: growing vegetables in shady spots. If you think shade means no veggies, think again. I've got 15 perfect veggies that thrive in shady gardens no matter where you live. Let's get started. Shade can be a blessing, especially for certain leafy greens that don't like too much direct sunlight. Here are some of my top picks. Spinach loves cooler temperatures and thrives with just 3 to 4 hours of sun. It's great for partial shade, and you'll get tender, delicious leaves that you can harvest for weeks. Kale is a superfood that's super easy to grow in shade. It tolerates partial sun and even thrives in full shade during hotter months. The leaves get sweeter in cooler conditions too. Lettuce is the perfect salad crop for shady gardens. It prefers cooler temperatures, making it ideal for those shady spots that get 2 to 3 hours of sunlight or dappled shade. Arugula adds a spicy kick to your salads, and it's another green that thrives with less sun. Just 3 to 4 hours of light is enough for this fast-growing veggie. Swiss chard is both beautiful and productive. With its vibrant stalks, it can brighten up any shady spot in your garden. It tolerates partial shade while still providing a good yield. Yes, you can even grow root vegetables in shady areas. Here are some that do well with limited sunlight. Beets love cooler conditions, making them ideal for gardens with morning shade. They need about 4 to 5 hours of sunlight but can manage with less if you're looking for tender greens instead of large roots. Carrots may surprise you, but they can handle partial shade. While they might take a bit longer to mature, their roots stay tender and sweet. Aim for areas that get at least 4 hours of sun. Radishes are one of the fastest growing root crops, and they don't mind a bit of shade. They need about 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, and you can enjoy fresh radishes in as little as 3 weeks. Turnips are versatile and can be grown for both their greens and roots. They can tolerate partial shade, and they're perfect for cool, shaded spots in your garden. Potatoes might seem like sun lovers, but they can actually produce well in partial shade. While yields may be slightly smaller, you can still grow a decent harvest with 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. Let's talk about some herbs and other veggies that can thrive in less than sunny spots. These are great for adding flavor and variety to your garden. Parsley is a great herb to grow in partial shade. It's resilient and can provide you with a steady supply of fresh, aromatic leaves for months. If you love Mexican and Asian dishes, cilantro is a must-have. It prefers cooler temperatures and does well in shady areas, making it perfect for spring and fall gardens. Broccoli is surprisingly shade-tolerant. It can grow with as little as 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight and does well in cooler, partially shaded areas, especially in hotter climates. Peas are a cool-weather crop that appreciates a bit of shade, especially in warmer climates. They'll produce sweet pods even with 3 to 5 hours of sun. Like its cousin broccoli, cauliflower can handle partial shade. It's perfect for planting in areas with dappled sunlight or spots that get a few hours of morning sun. So, there you have it, 15 perfect veggies to grow in shady gardens no matter where you live. Whether you have a small garden with limited sun or just a few shaded spots, these veggies will thrive and give you a bountiful harvest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your shady garden experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about what you're growing. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.